Hi, this is Joëlle Meyer. I would like to show you how to create personalized cards using your best photos. For this project, you'll need a set of blank cards and envelopes. These sets come in white as well as other colors. Choose your best photos and have them printed in the correct size. Take a blank card in your chosen color and fold it in half along the pre-scored crease. Take your photo, turn it over and apply double-sided tape to the back of the picture. Then place the photo onto the center of the card. You can even sign your initials on the side of the picture using a thin black pen. Now your card is ready to be written. You can use this technique to personalize your greeting cards for birthdays, Mother's Day, Father's Day, and even Christmas. Don't forget to subscribe to our AnimaPlates YouTube channel to be notified of our new videos. To access the downloadable document, visit the AnimaPlates website. See you soon!